Hi, hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from parabola of 11th class. The question is, find the equation of directrix of the parabola x square minus 4x minus 3y plus 10 equals to 0. Here, let us write the equation once again. Given equation is x square minus 4x minus 3y plus 10 equals to 0. Right? So, what is the general form of this equation? General form is actually we are having some general forms based on y square equals to 4ax, x square equals to 4ay. Like this we'll have here. If you see here, x square term is there no here, so we can use this form of the equation, so we can reduce this equation in this way. Okay, that means general form actually we are having x minus h whole square equals to 4a into y minus h, sorry, k, y minus k. Okay, so here h comma k is the point, right? So let us reduce this equation in this form. So x square minus 4x and this minus 3y, this can be written as plus 4 plus 6, right? So what we have, x square minus 4x plus 4, if you take x square minus 4x plus 4, if you take, what you will get, x minus 2 whole square you will get, which is equals to this goes the other side, becomes 3y minus 6, right? So this is how we can write x minus x square minus 2 into 2 into x plus 2 square equals to 3. If you take common the other side, you will get y minus 2. Okay, so this is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So what is the formula for it? A minus b whole square equals to 3 into y minus 2. Okay, therefore here the point h comma k is moved to, generally this h comma k is taken as origin, right? Is moved to 2 comma 2, means starting this line will be like this, right? But here what we got, 2 comma 2, like this, means we can draw a line in this way parallel to x axis. So if you observe, this is y, this is y axis, all values will be negative, no? So we have to take y is equals to minus a as per the moved axis, which is 2 comma 2. Understood why we got y equals to minus a? Actually what will be the equation? X plus a equals to 0. So here y equals to minus a, we know, sorry, here we can take this as capital X and you can take this as capital Y. If we take in that way, what it becomes, x square equals to 3y, right? So this capital Y is minus a. But what is minus a actually? We are having a formula, no? X minus h whole square equals to 4a into y minus k, right? So this is in the form of, we reduce an equation, no? That equation of what we got, 3 into y minus 2. So when comparing these two, h comma k becomes 2 comma 2 and here 4a left, no? 4a is equals to 3 and a equals to 3 by 4 we got. Now we can use the 3 by 4 here. Capital Y equals to minus 3 by 4. But what is capital Y here? capital Y is nothing but small y minus 2, which implies small y minus 2 equals to minus 3 by 4, which implies y is equals to minus 3 by 4 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 8 by 4, which is equals to 5 by 4. Okay, therefore small y equals to 5 by 4. Here we got y equals to 5 by 4, right? So what will be the directrix equation? Y minus 5 by 4 equals to 0, right? Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.